Okay guys, in this video I just want to show you guys what I look at in the beginning of the day and during the day to make up my mind what I want to do. Now I don't base my trades on these, but it can help you, especially if your levels are really close and you feel a little bit you want to see what the market is doing, the other players are doing. If you type in Google currency pairs correlation in Forex, and I get this page. If you click on this one here, you will see this is from Baby Pips. If you ever have any questions, Baby Pips is a good way to get knowledge for beginner traders. What this does is it shows you the miners, what the majors need to do for the miners to react. Like I like the Euro GBP, I like to trade that. Okay, if the Euro is coming down and the pound is going up, this will come down, and vice versa. The euro goes up and the pound comes down, this will go up. And I also like the euro odd, like to trade that. They also show you. So this you can, I didn't want to give it to you guys because I'm not sure if I can give it away for free. But I'm sure if you go to Baby Pips you can get it, or you can just take it from here. If you don't give it to other people, I'm sure nobody will complain if you just take it for yourself. And then print it out and stick it next to your desktop or your laptop or wherever, so that if you're ever interested in those pairs, you just look at what the majors are doing and then you can make a decision. I like to trade the miners. What do I like about it? Let's say, for instance, I want to go short the euro pound. Why? Because their levels are telling me it's time to go short. This can still come down when the euro goes up and the pound goes up. It can still come down. Now these major pairs, they usually move in the same way. They just don't move as fast as each other. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So what I like is you don't need to be correct on direction. They can both go up and the pound can still come down, because the pound can go up faster than what the euro is going up. That's what I like about the miners. If you trade a major pair, like say euro, you have to, if you go long, it needs to go long. If it doesn't go up, you lose money. On this one, you can go short. Well, both of these are going up, you can still make money because it can still come down. I don't know, since I started trading the miners, thinking this way, I was doing much better in my trading. Okay, that's one thing that I'm looking at. It's another. In FXCM, they've got really good research sometimes. You can come to the market data signals. I'll look at that. If 68 positions are long, it means the crowd is long, then they're going to bring it down. Not always, but the possibility is there. So you might be able to grab a few pips on that. And then Japan. Now this is just for FXCM. So 69 of their traders are long. And then on the gold, say price losses, it's a little bit in an upsteep. So a lot of traders were correct there. They make good money at 75% of traders. So you can just have a look through that to get an idea what the people are doing. You can do the market scanner, where you can take all these indicators. I'm not going to work up for 15 minutes, we'll work up the data. And we'll say scan, and this is what they'll tell you. They say the pound is short, and the other ones are not things that you're interested in. So you can see details, and you can see everything is short on that one. So if you wanted to go long, now I'll be careful, because if everything is indicating short, you can draw these indicators yourself. But why? It's much easier. Just quickly come here and see what they are showing here. You can quickly scan through the market news to get your fundamentals a little bit up to scratch. Here they tell you a lot of things. Germany producer that will influence the euro. You can just read through the dollar flat after cautious Fed's comments. Read through it so that you can understand what's happening. I mean, here you can choose the currency. Say for instance you want to trade Port New Zealand. Then you click there and they will tell you the news on those ones. Then they've got trading signals here where you can subscribe to the 14-day trial. I don't take other people's signals, I'll take my own. You can come here to, if you open an account with FXM, then you will qualify to come to this page. If you press the signals here, you can see what's today, the 20th, 19th. They are short, or they bought that one, going long. So here they kind of show you what trades they take. Now, I've never taken a trade here, but let me tell you, if they say extreme trader sentiment poised to a possible downtrend, and I'm looking at this pair, and I see it hitting a fib level, and I want to sell, that makes me a lot more confident. Because you can even read here what they're saying. But I don't take these trades. I won't take it. Then technical analyzer, this is nice because it shows you, please guys, this is not golden goose. They've showed these were wrong so many times I can't even tell you. Here they say that New Zealand may fall, and you can see, okay, today I want to trade the euro, GBP. They say the euro is going to go up, and then you can read why, and you can check their levels. This is their levels, support and resistance close to your levels, and then you can, okay, so this is going down and euro is going up. So I need to be careful if I want to sell euro GBP, because these guys are thinking it's going to go the other way. Then another site I will look at, which I like, is Trading View. Trading View. Here they show you what the majors are going to do. They say euro long, pound short. So, okay. And then you go to the minus. Here they say euro pound buy. That's the overview. Let's say trend following, strong buy. So if you're short, be careful. Euro or sell. Sell. And that MIs. So guys, this is not the ooh and ah. It just helps you, like I'm explaining. Say I want to sell, say I want to buy the euro pound, and it hits a level, and these guys are saying strong buy, and then I look here and it says dollar buy, pound sell, then I'll just feel a lot more confident, because I don't use indicators, but even the indicators are showing us that what I want to do in the market, they're confirming it. And then last but not least, Forex Factory. Forex Factory, where I do the calendar. You can, when you go to the calendar, you can click on this green thing here. This news here is medium impact and low impact. I just do high impact, and I do it on all of them, and then you can say apply filter. So high impact, Tuesday 12 o'clock GBP inflation report hearings. You can click here. They'll tell you a little bit about it. They'll tell you if it's hawkish, then it's good for the currency. So if you are in a trade where you have GBP, then you need to be careful. Move your stop closer or take your profit if you've got a lot of money there. But this is You definitely need to look at this, and then I do read this. I go, yeah, and I read what other traders are saying. There's a lot of interesting, sometimes there's really good people explaining things, like not all good analysts are good traders. So sometimes you get really good people that analyzes the market. Yeah, are they good traders? That I don't know, but they a lot of them are pretty spot on. And then I'll go here to the trades. I won't look at what the people are taking. I'm more interested in this. So Forex Factory, all the people on Forex Factory, 44% of traders are long, 56 are short, and then 51 in the pound are long, 49. So the pound is basically, they won't mind pushing it either way. But this one, they would like to, I think, push it long because there's more money to steal. And yeah, so I then sometimes look at these ones and then FXCM, and then I'll see if they correlate, because FXCM will maybe show you their euro traders are short. And then I'm thinking, I think FXCM has got a lot more traders than Forex Factory. But yeah, that's basically what I look at. But this one, every morning, first thing, so I know 12 o'clock. You can set an alarm, and yeah, so that's basically what I do every day to set myself up.